Material girl.
I want Chanel 9 boots. All these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth.
Material girl.
And I get it from my mammy ball main bust downs. These hoes can't stand me.
Hi my maddies and baddies, it's your girl Nicki the illest. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing, first impression, and product reviews. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And any questions you want to ask me, make sure to leave it down in the comment section down below. Yeah, I am so excited. My package had finally came in the mail today. OMG, I can't wait to open it up. I had got 3 products, right? I had got 2 mics. And I had got a tripod with a ring light. And mine's the 2021. Mine's is digital and touchscreen. Mine's is up to date. I could touch it. It comes with a little remote. So let's get into it. I'm going to show y'all. Alright guys, here we go. I had ordered my stuff all off of Amazon. Alright. I done cut it open because I'm using one hand. So bear with me. So yeah. Yeah, it's a little, the box is a little damaged because it was sitting outside in the rain. It got rained through just a little bit, so the box is a little messed up. But anyways, all right. Here go my 2 mics I got. I had got Pop Voice and YouMic. The one I have on right now, I have on the YouMic. The Pop Voice, I will use later. Okay, put that to the side. Now, this is my tripod with the ring light. I'm going to open this up. And the name of this is Vioce. They package it up like they care or whatever. Okay. Let me turn it upside down. Well, let me take it off the box. Okay. Vioce. Let me open it up. Okay, guys. All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to put everything to the side so we can look at it together. I believe this is the charger piece for the ring light. Open this up. The remote. I think this is where your phone go. Yeah, I think this is where your phone go. This is for the tripod. Another piece for the tripod. That's it in this box, and it comes with a little booklet. I guess this will teach me how to set up the USB for the remote. Okay, put that to the floor. Put that to the floor. Let's open up the tripod. I like the fact that it comes with this little baggie, you know, that's nice that it comes with this little baggie. So say if I want to travel, you know, I got to travel somewhere, you know, I could, you know, carry my things. I like that. That was smart of them. Put that there. I'll be right back. Let me cut this open. Okay, this is the tripod. Yeah, they have a lot of different ones on Amazon for different prices. It is a little pricey, but I don't mind that because I'd rather pay for something that's going to last me long term than get me something that's cheap and flimsy. A lot of the ones I seen on Amazon, they was like real flimsy and skinny and cheap looking. So, and you know, I gotta get the best, you know. So I'm gonna put this here to the side. All right, so now I believe this is the ring light. Let me open this up. Okay, this is the ring light. And what I mean by touch screen, I could touch it to power it on. I believe this is to brighten it. This is to, I believe this is to switch it from white light to warm light, to light warm, and to warm light. And this is to lower it, to dim it down, to brighten up, power off and on. And I believe this is a 10-inch ring. Yeah. Put that over to the side here. Okay. Throw that on the floor. Now, let's open the mics. I'll be opening the pop mic. The pop voice first. Ooh, cute. Comes in a little baggie. It says pop voice on it. I like the fact that, you know, they took their time to make these baggies. And the good thing about it is that these baggies are pretty, you know, strong. They're not like cheap. You know, pretty good. It comes with a little booklet. I guess this teach you how to use the mic or whatever. All right, let's open this up and see what's inside. All right. It comes with 3 different mic muffs. Red, orange, black. That's nice. The mic itself. And an adapter piece. That's nice. I believe these mics are like 4 feet long, I believe. I believe they're like 4 feet long or so. All right, so this came with the pop voice, nice in a little baggie. So when you're done using your mic, you can put everything away. You won't lose any of your pieces. That's what I like about this. Let's go on to the YouMic. Boom. All right, I'm using the YouMic now. Let me go ahead and open it up. I believe YouTube worked with this company. I like this mic a lot. The bag is like a nice pleather bag. It is real durable, strong. A little bit smaller from the other, but let's get the things out of here. This is the little it comes with this card. It says, "Thank you for choosing us. We believe you will be satisfied. You must have blogging too." And in the back, okay, it comes with this nice little phone cleaner. And what I like about it is reusable. You can clean your cell phone, iPad, camera lenses, your glasses. All you have to do is peel it, clean it, stick it back, and then rinse it. And you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it. That's what I like about this. Okay, now let's see. Let me open this up. I'll be right back. So yeah, it comes with 3 muffs. I have the red one on. It came with the black one on, but I took it off and changed it and swiped it for the red one. These are the adapter pieces for if you want to plug it up to your laptop, computer, and your iPad. And this is the box. iPhone, iPad, iPod, Android devices, PC, laptop. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is, let me put everything to the side here. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the tripod together. I'm going to put the tripod together. And I'm going to get back with y'all when I'm done building it. Okay, guys, I'm done building it. It gets way taller than this. I believe it gets 8 feet. I didn't build it to 8 feet because I'm about to do a video after this one. And this is the length I want it to be. So, let's play with the lighting. This is the white light. Let me turn it up. This is the brightest it gets. That's bright. Let me show you. Let me back up. Boom, boom, boom. And also right here, this is where you put your phone. Right in the middle. Let me turn it down. Next setting, light warm. You can see it. Let me turn up the setting. This is a nice setting. Light warm. I like this setting a lot. Let me turn it down. And the next setting is warm. Let me turn it up. See that yellow light? OMG, I love that light. The yellow light. Let me turn it down. And yeah. That's about it. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I have on the Pop Voice microphone. And I also put the red tip on it. So in the beginning I had on the YouMic. Now I got on the Pop Voice. I like the Pop Voice too. The Pop Voice, you know, it do give you a little bit more pop. A little bit more loudness. And that's what I like. Something with pop, you know. So both the mics are good. YouMic cost me more money than this one. But no big difference. You know. No big difference. But yeah, so if any of you guys found this video useful, helpful, and if you want to go out and get the same things I got, or you want something a little bit cheaper, but you don't know what you really want to get, you know, leave a comment down below. I communicate with you back. I give you advice on what you should get and what you shouldn't get. You want to know where I get my things from? Or if you want me to pick out something for you, leave a comment down below. Anyone that, you know, that need help, I'm there to help. So if you found this video useful, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. It's your girl, Nicki the Illest.